Hi, I've worked with many manufacturing companies around the world on improving their UX. Over the years, I've identified 3 common user experience mistakes that many manufacturers make on their websites. This applies to manufacturers across space, from automotive and heavy machinery to electronics, construction, food and beverage. These are the common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, assuming that your clients know and understand the full range of your products. See, most manufacturers' online catalogs essentially mimic paper catalogs. They're organized in a linear fashion. First, you have to pick a product line or category, then subcategories, and only then you have SKUs all just listed out. This structure is not user-friendly. Many times users don't even know where to start and end up in the wrong categories, forced to go back and forth until they end up in the right place. Your digital catalog does not have to be like a paper book. This is a self-imposed limitation. Instead of throwing everything at your users, consider asking them questions and offering guidance, helping them select the right product, factoring in their needs, application, or any number of useful parameters. This is something that a book cannot do, but your website can and should. By humanizing the experience, not only will you save them time and clicks, but it will also give them the reassurance that they found the right product and that you are the right company for them. Which leads me to mistake number 2. When the user finally finds the product that we're looking for, they're often not sure if that's the right product for them. So what they do, they resort to comparing products side by side. Here's another problem for you. For some reason, manufacturers love to hide important product information. I'm not kidding. Spec sheets, PDFs, SDS, etc. impossible to find. For example, on one website we counted that it took us 7 clicks to get to a product data sheet, another 3 scrolls to get to specific information of interest. Now imagine doing this for a bunch of products, somehow retaining or writing down this information so that you can do a proper comparison. So now, in addition to the paper catalog, you also need a pen and paper to write things down on a website. How silly is this? Not cool. Avoid this common failure point by allowing easy side-by-side comparison between products using the most common product specifications and criteria. Finally, mistake number 3. The user finds the product and confirms that this is indeed the right product for them. Now what? The next logical step is guiding the user towards purchasing the product. Manufacturers rely on distribution networks to sell their products, and that's where many websites fail. Do this exercise. Next time you buy anything on Amazon, compare that experience to the one where you connect the buyer on your website to one of your dealers, distributors, or retailers. Forget the transactional component of Amazon, just focus on the UX. You probably wouldn't even notice if the order is fulfilled by Amazon or one of their independent sellers. That's how seamless their UX is. You don't just send it off to some place, some dealer or distributor where you have to start over. They work out all the logistics on the background so that you don't have to. They get you quickly from wanting the product to getting the product. That's the difference. A well-designed website should be like a yellow brick road. It should guide you towards your destination no matter what. There should be no dead ends, no friction, no obstacles. If you've never seen your actual customers interacting with your website, you may be in for a surprise. Talk to us, and remember, good UX is always good business.